What's up, y'all? It's your boy Bill Lee with the infamous Bill Lee Photography. And listen, we got this workshop on August the 11th, 2012, right here at the Hampton Inn Conference Room in Waldorf, Maryland. The name of the workshop is Don't Take Pictures, Make Pictures. Why do I say that? Because a lot of times we allow our cameras to just take a picture. But when you know your camera and when you know photography, then that's when you're able to really make pictures. Because we don't just want our cameras working for us, we want to know how to work our cameras. I want you to be able to know what a shutter speed is and the aperture is and what does it do. And I want you to know about how to compose. Also, we're going to do a little introduction in the studio lighting because some of y'all want to do exactly what I do. And that's shooting in studio and knowing how to light. And so come on out. Matter of fact, when we first put this out there, we literally in 2 weeks, classes was filled up, but we added 5 more seats just for you because we want you to be there. Got gifts, giveaways, prizes, a whole 9. We even got lunch, y'all. Come on. Who else doing lunch? That's what we do because we want you to be a better photographer. Matter of fact, I don't only want you to be a better photographer, I want you to be better than me. Matter of fact, I want you to be so good that you are so better than me that you're taking my own clients. Okay, I'm lying. I don't want you to be that good. But anyway, I do want you to come out and be a part of this workshop, and it's going to be amazing. So I want to see you August 11, 2012. Go ahead and sign up now, www.billleephotography.com/workshops. Also, we got more workshops coming up, Studio Lighting 1, Studio Lighting 2, on location photography. We even have a class that's going to be geared towards how to shoot with the camera that you always have right next to you. And what that class is about is this thing right here, using your own camera phone. A lot of pictures I take is with my camera phone. You would never know it because the pictures look so good. I want you to be able to shoot the same way. So we got it all going on. Come on out, register, get locked in. BillLeePhotography.com. Check us out. I want to see you there. Gonna have a blast. Peace.